Jolene from Ride the Wind e-bikes. Taubik. What a freaking awesome brand, just so you know. Love them. Just put that plug in there. 2023 Blackburn TL. Now we just kind of call it the TL. 2024 TL. So I'll go through the upgrades. Both the same category of electric bicycle, step through, regular tire. The difference is obviously the frame. Trucks! They have gone with the same frame as they have for their Taubik Tour, which is just simply the fat tire version of this. So it kind of makes things simpler, more streamlined. So they went with this frame. It is a little more substance to it, but with a step through, the one thing that can happen is a lack of rigidity, because most bikes have the bar that goes across, and so trucks, they're the same weight, and I can put that in there, but that doesn't make this one any heavier because it's got a slightly a bigger, like bulkier frame, but it is even more of a rigid frame. You're not going to feel any twist in this at all, I can tell you that, but this just makes sense to go that way. Anyways, they are almost identical. They have the same quick release. This has a still colored speedo. This is an upgraded color speedo. Suspension. They've gone with the top battery, now with the under battery with that. You know what? Even the lights at the back too, right? Because all of the 2024 have the rack with the integrated rear light, and then brake lights, which I freaking love. Now these ones also have brake lights. They turn on a little bit differently. I'm just going to turn it on there. But this one's it's just a newer, cleaner kind of look to go with that. The biggest difference is this is a UL 2849 certified. So if you've been watching the videos, I've been saying a lot about that. What that is it's a North American certification that all electric bicycles are going to need, but Taubik is ahead of the game, and they have made all of their 2024 and moving forward UL 2849 certified. What does that mean? It means that it has gone through the testing and regulations to ensure that this bike is 100% safe, meaning that the battery, also name brand by the way, Samsung or LG, only name brand with Taubik, and it has a battery monitoring system, an intelligent battery monitoring system. So that means you cannot overcharge your battery, which we know in the industry can be dangerous. So there's no worry about that. And if you don't use the battery and it goes dead, like you haven't charged it in months and months and months, it's okay. It's got a sleep mode. It's going to come back. It also tells you how many trees you've saved and how many calories you burned, which that's cool. I like to know that kind of stuff. So a few things like that, but these are the differences. There is a price difference, $24.99 and $26.49. So $150 difference to go with the 2024 model. But it's nice to have kind of side by side. They both come in spectacular colors. So many: green, red, black, pink, mauve, gray, gunmetal. But get these while you can, because they're now the 2024, so you have to spend a little bit more, and these also come in 5 colors. So that's it. I hope that helped, and we have flat rate shipping across Canada, 99 bucks. So if you're looking, you should buy from us. Thanks.